Most main streets might have heroes.
It was all about everybody else but him. He just wanted to make people's lives better.
But a 14-year-old?
He donates to the fire department, to the police department.
He was trying to write a cookbook.
He was never sitting down.
Food drives, whether it was starting collections at school.
Folding napkins at the senior center. 3 years ago, a teenager moved to town from Nebraska.
He was in the plays.
Aaron Eilert's impact started immediately.
Me and my brother tried to set up a tent, and we had no idea how to do it. We're just about beating each other up, and he gets over there and whips up in about 2 seconds.
Not your average 14-year-old kid.
This one is probably one of my favorites with the fish.
What other boy would put down PlayStation to start sewing? 2 years ago, Aaron called the local hospital.
And his mom's kind of like, that's Aaron.
Ever since, every Wright County kid who stared at scary instruments rested their head on a pillowcase from Aaron.
He wanted them to feel like they were in a very safe place and that they had something very cheery when they were experiencing an uncomfortable or possibly painful situation.
A lot of times we call to see if he wants to come over. He's working on them.
And this is a great one for a girl.
He sewed pillowcases for every teacher in school and every firefighter on the force, paying for them himself.
He was selling jams and jellies that he made with his mom during the summer.
He was a boy who'd do anything to help others, even shield them from a storm.
That's the tornado one right there.
And I had goosebumps. I mean, I didn't even know how to respond.
Anybody you talk to, they just can't believe it.
I just can't believe it.
Eagle Grove is hurting.
If they didn't know him personally, they knew him for what he's done.
3 years in town, 14 years on Earth.
And this kid truly was a difference maker.
He was like perfect. He knew exactly what to do all the time.